Hi friends, this is Gautam. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss about network topologies. So network topologies, most of them are more familiar because in college itself we can study these topologies. So in this video session, just revise the topics. So we can see. So star topology, full mesh, partial mesh, hub and spoke and hybrid. So these topologies we are going to discuss in CCNA. So in CCNA course we can see these all kind of topologies. So first one is a star topology. So star topology is nothing but our local area network. So star topology means we can place the switch in the center and rest of the end devices we can connect it to the switch. So this is a star topology. So next one, full mesh topology. So full mesh topology means all the router connected to all other devices. This is in full redundancy. So here we can see totally I'm using 5 routers. So all 5 routers are connected to each other. So this is a full redundancy. So drawback is we can utilize more ports and cost wise is very expensive. So next one, partial mesh. So partial mesh is alternative for full mesh. So in partial mesh, so only particular device can connect it to all other devices and some of the devices are not connected. So in this topology, you can see router R10 and R6 are more important. So that's why this router connected to all other router and R6 also. But R7, R8 and R9 is less priority. So it will be connected only to the R6 and R10. So consider this is an example for partial mesh topology. So in switch we have 3 layers: access layer, distribution layer and core layer. This is a switch architecture for designing. So here distribution switch can connect it to all the access switch, but access switch only connected to the distribution switch. So access switch cannot connect it to the another access switch. This is one example for partial mesh topology. So next one, hub and spoke. So hub and spoke, here we can see. So R11 is a hub and R12 and R13 is a spoke. So whenever R12 and R13 want to communicate each other, it will communicate through the hub router. So this is an hub and spoke topology. So finally, hybrid. So in hybrid, we can combine of all the topology is a hybrid. Partial mesh topology, full mesh topology, star topology, and hub and spoke. Okay, friends. So thank you for watching my videos. So if you have any queries regarding network topologies, means please ping me in the below comment section. I will reply to your queries. So this is basic concept. Just revise for that network topologies. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching my video.